Okay, we're in Bedford Station car park. So we're going to go off a ride around Bedford, probably down the river, and see what we can find. Hopefully something interesting. So we're on the SL today. Bring it back in and we're on our way. Some kind of temple.
Ain't nobody watching, no. I just fade away.